For the first time, United Engine Corporation unveiled a full-scale model of the twin-spool turbofan engine PD-8 at the NACE exhibition in Moscow on February 5th to 6th. The engine was built using the most recent domestic materials and state-of-the-art technologies. Its design and production were influenced by important aviation industry enterprises. Vladimir Artyakov, Deputy General Director of Rostec, says only a few countries in the world can produce their own aircraft engines, and Russia is among them. The PD-8 for the short-haul SJ-100 airliner is being publicly showcased for the first time. The project is in its final stage, with the necessary tests underway. At the same time, we are ramping up capacity for serial production. The engine has effectively completed a series of tests at United Engine Corporation test facilities, the Central Institute of Aviation Motors, and a flying laboratory, according to the Russian media. The PD-8 engine will undergo flight tests on the import-substituted SJ-100 aircraft in the near future. Vladimir Artyakov says, "Very soon, we expect the PD-8 to take its first flight as part of the passenger SJ-100 for the final stage, flight testing." Dmitry Demeshin, the chief of Khabarovsk Krai, has also expressed interest in the building of a new logistics center that will include an aircraft engine assembly facility for SJ-100 planes. Vadim Badaha, the CEO of the United Aircraft Corporation, participated in a discussion regarding the project's specifics in Moscow. As per him, PJSC Yakovlev intends to construct a logistics facility in Komsomolsk-on-Amur that will span approximately 10,000 square meters. A warehouse complex with an engine assembly section for SJ-100 aircraft will be a component of this facility. Komsomolsk, on the first specialized center in Russia for the assembly of doors and entrances for civil airliners, such as the MS-21, SJ-100, IL-114, and Tu-214, is already located in Amur. PJSC Yakovlev is expanding its manufacturing facility in the City of Youth in order to increase aircraft production. We are in complete agreement with these initiatives. The future of Khabarovsk Krai and our nation is predicated on technological sovereignty. Dmitry Demeshin stated, "We fully support these plans. Technological sovereignty is the foundation of the future for Khabarovsk Krai and our country. We are open to cooperation and ready to provide all necessary support for creating new production facilities and jobs in the region." Yakovlev is a backbone enterprise of the Civil Aviation Division of the United Aircraft Corporation. The company consolidates the scientific and production capacities of civil aircraft manufacturing and creates a cooperation of competence centers for the development, testing, production, and maintenance of civil aircraft and their components. The production center of the company is located in Komsomolsk-on-Amur, where a project is currently being executed to set up the production of the SJ-100 aircraft using Russian-made components. According to the press service of the state corporation Rostec, the PD-8 engine was manufactured using the latest domestic materials and advanced technologies, including 3D printing. Its development incorporated experience from the more powerful PD-14 engine. The PD-8 is expected to take its first flight soon as part of the SJ-100 passenger aircraft for flight testing. A plenary discussion was also conducted as part of the NACE exhibition forum, during which United Aircraft Corporation CEO Vadim Badaha discussed the current status of the corporation's civil aviation programs. Serial production of the PD-8 has already started, and engine deliveries can be started promptly upon receiving the requisite certification approvals, according to him. Another priority is the preservation of the existing fleet of domestic SSJ-100 aircraft, which are presently operated by 7 Russian airlines. Over 977,000 flights have been completed by these aircraft. The United Aircraft Corporation is currently engaged in the process of localizing repairs and substituting foreign components with domestically produced ones. Since February 2022, the quantity of these localized components has increased to 311. According to TASS news agency, Russia's Minister of Industry and Trade, Anton Alekhanov, stated in October 2024 that the import-substituted SJ-100 aircraft, which will be equipped with Russian-made PD-8 engines, is anticipated to complete approximately 200 test flights in 2025, in preparation for certification and production launch at the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant. Alikhanov says ground tests of this engine are nearing completion. Some have already been conducted, and we are now waiting for approval to begin flight tests. 2 aircraft will undergo testing, with approximately 200 flights planned for next year to complete certification and move into production. We hope this will happen in the first half of 2025. The first flight of a prototype of the domestically produced Superjet 100 in the City of Youth was successfully completed in 2023 by the Yakovlev Production Center in Komsomolsk-on-Amur. The first prototype was equipped with French-Russian SaM146 engines to expedite the testing program, while the second prototype will be tested with completely Russian-made PD-8 engines. Now, do you think PD-8 is still inefficient, as the Russian officials are not boasting about its technical specifications? Let us know in the comment. Please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Please also take membership in our channel to encourage us.